Sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, allowing your body to relax deeply. Focus on your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils as you inhale, and the warm air leaving your body as you exhale. Let each breath deepen your state of relaxation. Shift your awareness to your feet. Start with your toes. Visualize a soothing warmth surrounding each toe, like a soft, comforting embrace. Inhale, feeling this warmth grow. Exhale, releasing any tension or discomfort. Bring your attention to your lower legs. Picture the gentle warmth moving from your ankles up to your shins and calves. Feel it easing any tightness. Inhale deeply, expanding the warmth. Exhale, letting go of any coolness or tension. Move your focus to your knees. Imagine the warmth rising, embracing your knees with a comforting light. Inhale, absorbing this warmth. Exhale, allowing tension to dissolve completely. Shift your awareness to your thighs. Feel the warmth spreading from your knees to your upper legs. Visualize this soothing heat filling your thighs with relaxation. Inhale deeply, feeling the warmth intensify. Exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Expand your focus to encompass your entire legs. Visualize the warmth spreading evenly from your toes up to your thighs. Feel this gentle heat flowing smoothly through your entire lower body, bringing deep relaxation and well-being. Take a moment to appreciate the warmth and relaxation filling your legs and lower body. Feel a sense of peace spreading throughout your entire being. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your body if you like, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of warmth, comfort, and relaxation with you as you continue your day.